Pop quiz. What's the largest organ in your body? If you're thinking heart or lungs, think again. It's your skin. And did you know that every day your skin battles against an invisible enemy? That's right, pollution. In fact, studies reveal that pollution can increase skin pigmentation by a whopping 20% over 5 years. Take a moment and picture this. Emily, a busy city dweller, began noticing changes in her skin. Dullness, uneven skin tone, and accelerated aging signs were her constant companions. Until one day she discovered the power of charcoal detox masks. Emily shares, "The charcoal mask worked like a charm. It's like having a mini spa at home. My skin feels revitalized and refreshed. The dullness, gone. My skin is glowing like never before." Charcoal detox masks are no less than a superhero for your skin. Imagine a powerful magnet pulling out all the dirt, toxins, and pollution from your skin. That's what activated charcoal does. It binds to dirt and helps pull it out of your pores, making them less visible. John, another user of charcoal detox masks, says, "I was skeptical at first, but then I gave it a shot. The results were astounding. My skin feels cleaner and healthier. It's like my skin can finally breathe again." But the benefits don't stop at deep cleansing. Charcoal detox masks can also help manage oily skin. They remove excess oils and help reduce acne. The result? Clear, smooth, and healthy skin. The importance of charcoal detox masks in skincare cannot be overstated. They are a potent weapon against the damaging effects of pollution. It's not just about looking good, it's also about protecting your skin, your body's largest organ, from harmful pollutants. In the words of Sarah, a devout user of charcoal detox masks, "My skin has never felt this good. It's like the mask resets my skin. And the best part, it's all natural. I couldn't ask for more." In a world where your skin is constantly under attack, charcoal detox masks serve as your reliable shield. They cleanse, they detoxify, they protect. So give your skin the care it deserves and embrace the power of charcoal detox masks. Remember, healthy skin is always in.